Denatec is a new start business that myself and my business partner Dean Talbot have started. Applications can include high pressure, extreme temperatures, high speed machinery, or where there are heavy loads present. And what we aim to do is we aim to design, manufacture, install and commission equipment that minimises the risk associated with those hazards. The key thing for us when choosing an MRP system that allowed us to effectively manage our bills and materials, purchasing and invoicing, but a big part for us was also the servicing side of the business, and that is us going out and servicing, maintaining, testing other people's equipment. And so the unique advantage that Flowlens had over a lot of other systems that I tried was in fact the servicing side of the software. One of the key things for us at the beginning is building and developing a customer database. Now, the nice thing about Flowlens, again, at the front end, is the ability to simply manage and track relationship management. So the three things together really make Flowlens for us the ideal MRP system for us, really.
Great. We take great pride in that, so I'm glad it has made the difference. What sort of advice would you give a company that needed to make the change from basic spreadsheets or manual systems?
You've got to look at each part of your process, and I think you've got to look at a system like Flowlens, and you've got to look at your current processes and think that those processes were perhaps initially put in place to cope with spreadsheets. And it's easy to then be blinkered into thinking that that's the way the process should be. However, when you look at a system such as Flowlens, the key thing I find is to slightly adapt your process to suit the system. And what you find there is that you're not really having to fundamentally change the process, but you're getting rid of all the niggles that spreadsheets cause. And as such, it's that allows you to really refine and make your processes a lot more efficient. What we find is that we have multiple sites. I'm based here in the office. My business partner Dean is working in the unit, working on some equipment. But then we often find ourselves either in front of customers or having to work from home. Certainly, more recently, the need to work from home has been, fundamental. So having a system where no matter where we are placed, we can just jump on and log on, is critical, really. Certainly to an engineering business such as ours.
Welcome on board, and I'm delighted that you've chosen Flowlens. You went through a very thorough exercise to establish what you needed, and I'm delighted to have you on board. Thank you.